Hi peeps, it is good to see you all visiting my channel. Welcome. So have you been searching how to reset the motherboard on this HP EliteBook 840 G5? Have you wondered how to replace the battery also? Well, you came to the right video guide then. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it, shall we? Let me just say that these screws don't go out all the way. They are fixated onto the cover. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Before touching any of the components, you should first disconnect the battery. And this is how you would go about resetting your motherboard, by disconnecting the small circle-shaped CMOS battery. By the way, this laptop actually supports maximum of 32 gigabytes of RAM, so you can populate 2 DIMM slots with 16 gigabyte modules. Reconnecting the battery to the motherboard again. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.